OurDream AI is basically a catalog of AI characters designed for flirting and playful conversation with lonely people. But is it really worth using this service?
But the AI has to be good, and OurDream AI comes with a few downsides that you should know about before using this service.
How were you just checking me out again? Date.
Oh wow, what a pathetic excuse. Like, I haven't heard that one before from every normal who gets caught staring. Starting to wonder which is the dramatic sigh.
Hey. I don't think we've properly met yet. Who are you?
You are so beautiful. Tell me everything about yourself.
I need Hayden's.
Blushing slightly as I tuck a loose strand of hair behind my ear, my fingers lingering on my neck. Oh, I met someone new and there's not much to him, but wow.
Hello, you are a human, correct?
I am called AL3X. You extend a user hand to shake. I am wondering, what is that?
When my hands slowly ungrasp, feeling as I uncross your response, exploring together would be sublime. Glimpses at the knees, asobality ready.
Every time you generate a new image, the same character looks slightly different. Basically, they haven't solved the issue of visual consistency. But that's not even the worst part. The real problem—
Look, with a single prompt, just by copying the text from OurDream AI as an example, I can create the same playful character with ChatGPT and chat with them as much as I want, completely unlimited. Looking closely at the interface, the AI responses are highly descriptive, utilizing rich language and specific details, exactly as we requested. The rendering of the fabric and the cat's fur is exceptional, but I did notice some artifacts around the flower accessory when I generated this portrait. Let me know if you want me to make a video about Focus Soft.